question 20, you're asked to compare how the compound interest formula compares with the effective interest formula, or the effective interest. Now, I've just quickly worked these through, as by now you've worked a few through, and I hope you're gaining some competency there. In part B, to check these out using the effective interest rate, I'm just going to use the calculator to assist. So just bringing that up. If you want to clear everything, there's a nice, neat way of doing it, clearing all, and I'm certain I want to clear the all, and I get back into interest conversion. In the first instance, what I've got there, 8.75 yearly. Well, I know it's 8.75. That's for one. In the second instance, I've got 8.5 quarterly. And the effective in this instance will be 8.77 for option 2. And for option 3, the 8.45. Quite okay, just to overtype on these things, as long as you remember to do the calculation again. And I've got 8.79% to 2 decimal places. So in both instances, this shows you that option 3 works the best. Now in a moment, I'll work through how you can use option 3 in order to find how long it's going to take, and this will be monthly, in order for her 1,600 to invested to double. Please notice that we only use effective interest for comparisons. So when it comes to part C, I've got to use in my equation, or sorry, my calculator, I is equal to 8.45 monthly. And I can make that comparison. So let's just go through that. I'll just stop the tape for a minute and just write my raw entries down. So I've written down my starting information. Delete that parent 12. I've now got 8.45%. I do not use the effective for any other purpose rather than interest rate comparison. Negative 1,600, because she's given the bank money to the bank or another financial institution. Doubling that is 3,200. 12 and 12. And when I tap the N, I end up with 98.78 months. Now that's indeed a fair amount of time. If you wanted to convert that to years, what I'm going to do here, I'll just simply go to my main screen. Oh, might as well do it here actually. And that's 8.23 years. And on the main screen, holding the figure in the head of 8.23, 8.23, take 8, times that by 12. So in other words, I've got a total of 8 years and 2.6 or 7678. Now please notice, whilst that might seem a bit of a strange figure to put down, it is important to list answers such as this. The reality of it is, of course, is that you're going to get the money out after 8 years and 2 months, or maybe wait 8 years and 3 months and get a little more. But you must put down decimal answers to 1 or 2 decimal places, and then translate that into years and months or quarters or whatever as required.